I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for KEAM. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the KEAM physics syllabus. Identify high-weightage topics like mechanics and electrodynamics, which often account for over 50% of questions. Next, focus on mastering fundamental concepts from your 11th and 12th grade textbooks. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to physics, ensuring consistent review. A strong conceptual base is crucial for tackling complex problems effectively. Once you grasp the concepts, move to problem solving. Prioritize understanding the underlying principles before diving into calculations. Practice a diverse range of problems, beginning with simpler exercises and gradually advancing to more challenging ones. Aim to solve approximately 50 to 75 numerical problems for each chapter. This consistent practice builds confidence and improves your application skills, which are vital for success. Effective revision is key to retaining information. Regularly review all essential formulas and important derivations. Create a dedicated notebook to record challenging problems and common errors you encounter. This personalized error log helps you identify and address your weak areas systematically. Make it a habit to review your notes and solved examples weekly. Consistent revision ensures that concepts remain fresh in your mind, preventing last-minute cramming. Finally, integrate full-length mock tests into your study routine. These simulations are invaluable for understanding the exam pattern and managing your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Practice answering questions within a strict time limit, ideally aiming for about 1 minute per question. This strategy helps you build speed and accuracy, preparing you thoroughly for the actual examination day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.